Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to tackle a skill that is, no joke, becoming essential in our world, prompt engineering. Think of it as learning the secret language of AI, so you can get it to do exactly what you want every single time. Let's dive in.
So, have you ever asked an AI for something you thought was super simple, and it comes back with an answer that's, well, just plain weird, like totally unhelpful or off-topic or just bizarre? Yeah, we've all been there, and it's so frustrating.
But here's the thing, and this is the big twist. The problem usually isn't the AI. It's not some random glitch or that the machine is having a bad day. The real issue, and the solution, is actually something you have complete control over.
It's the prompt. It's the instructions we give it. The quality of what you get out of an AI is almost always a direct reflection of the quality of what you put in. You know, garbage in, garbage out. But the amazing part is, the reverse is also true. Okay, so this is where a little shift in your mindset can make all the difference. I want you to start thinking of yourself as a movie director, and the AI, that's your star actor. Incredibly talented, but it takes everything you say literally. So vague directions get you a confusing performance, but with clear, specific instructions, oh, you can create something incredible.
Every great director needs a toolkit, right? So let's build yours. We're going to start with the fundamental techniques, the tools that will immediately level up your conversations with AI, giving you the right tool for the right job.
First up is zero-shot prompting. Honestly, this is the most common way to do it. It's what we all do without even thinking. You just give a direct command without any examples. You're really just tapping into the AI's huge bank of general knowledge. It's your go-to when you need a fast, general answer.
For instance, just asking, explain the water cycle. It's simple, it's direct, and it works perfectly for getting a quick summary. Think of this as the trusty screwdriver in your toolkit. It's your starting point for almost everything. But what if you need a specific style or format? That's where we build on that with few-shot prompting. With this, you're not just asking, you're showing. You're teaching the AI by giving it a few examples of exactly the pattern you want it to follow. This is your fix when the AI's responses are in the wrong style.
And this is where things get really fun and powerful. By setting up a clear pattern like this, hello becomes yo, goodbye becomes peace out, the AI instantly gets the rules of the game. It sees the pattern and knows exactly what to do with no. This is an amazing way to control the tone and format of your results.
Okay, but what happens when you throw a real curveball at the AI, like a logic puzzle or a math problem, and it just gets it wrong? For that, you need chain-of-thought prompting. Instead of just asking for the answer, you tell the AI to walk you through its thinking process first.
And the crazy part, the magic trick that makes this work is just adding one simple phrase. Let's think step by step. That's it. This forces the AI to slow down, break the problem into smaller pieces, and show its work. And that dramatically improves its accuracy on those really tough tasks.
Ready to get creative? Let's talk about role prompting. This brings us right back to our director analogy. If your AI's answers just feel kind of generic and boring, this is the tool for you. You are literally casting the AI in a role, giving it a persona, an expertise, and a whole new point of view. This is where you can have some real fun with it. You're not just asking for information anymore, you're asking for performance. This technique is absolutely perfect for changing the tone, getting advice from a so-called expert, or just generating some wildly creative stuff.
So, we've got our basic tools, but what if you need a really complex, detailed answer? How do you put everything together? Well, every great director needs a blueprint. So now we're going to give you a formula, a master plan for building incredibly effective prompts. This formula for a killer prompt has 5 key ingredients. And once you understand these 5 parts, it's going to completely change how you talk to an AI, because it takes all the guesswork out of it. This structure right here is your key to getting consistent, high-quality results. By clearly defining the role, the exact task, the context and its limits, the specific steps it should take, and the output format you want, you get rid of any confusion and guide the AI right to the answer you need.
And here it is in action, a super practical fill-in-the-blanks template you can use right away. You can see how each of those 5 parts fits into a clear, logical structure. This isn't just theory, it's a powerful tool you can start using this very second to get better results.
Okay, once you get comfortable with that blueprint, you can start moving on to some truly next-level techniques. This is where the dynamic really shifts. You go from just giving commands to actually collaborating with the AI. This advanced technique is called meta-prompting. It sounds a little complicated, but all it really means is you're making the AI your co-director.
You're asking it to help you write better prompts, review its own answers, or even break down a huge project into smaller pieces. Now, here are two really powerful ways to use this. As the architect, the AI interviews you asking questions to help you build the perfect prompt from scratch. Or, as the reviewer, you tell the AI to critique its own work, to act like a harsh editor, and improve the final answer before you even see it. So, let's bring this all home. By using these tools and this structure, you're not just getting better answers. You are fundamentally changing your relationship with AI. You're no longer just a passive user hoping for the best. You're becoming the director, shaping the entire performance. And if you remember one thing from all this, let it be this: better inputs lead to better outputs. Period. You are not at the mercy of the machine. You're in control of the conversation, and you're in control of the result.
This is the ultimate shift in perspective. Once you really get the hang of this, you realize you're not just typing in a machine anymore. You are directing a powerful, creative, and analytical partner.
So, I'll leave you with this one final thought to chew on. In a world where AI can give us almost any answer we want, what if the most valuable human skill isn't knowing the answers anymore, but knowing how to ask the right questions?